A second problem that may be giving you some difficulty is trying to graph f of x is equal to the base 3 log of x minus 3. We want to know what this minus 3 in parentheses will do. That makes a horizontal shift to the right. Remember that a minus sign in the grouping symbol moves you to the right, while a plus sign would move you to the left. Now again, you're given some x values to substitute in, and you want to try to figure out what the corresponding y's are going to be. But since this is a base 3 log, it doesn't work quite as nicely on your calculator as if it was a base 10 log or if it was a natural log. We can get around this problem by using the change of base formula. So let's look at the 12 back here that we were given. If we put 12 in for this x, 12 minus 3 would be 9. So we've got the base 3 log of 9 that we're trying to compute. If we pull up our calculator, we don't have a base 3 log key on the calculator. But what the change of base formula tells us that we can do, the 9 that we have in the parentheses, type it in first, then hit your natural log key, ln, then divide by whatever base is here. In this case, I've got 3, and press ln there. And now we also need to press equals at the end of this. And you can see that the value that we get is the 2 that I've put in here. If we were to take 6 and put it in for x, 6 minus 3 is 3. So the base 3 log of 3 is what we're trying to compute. If I put 3 in, push ln, divided by 3, and push ln, it's no surprise that we get 1. Dividing something by itself is going to give us 1. So whatever number you're given up here, substitute it in for the x, figure out what's here, take the natural log of that, divided by the natural log of your base, and be sure to press equals. Now, as we try to graph this, click to enlarge the graph. Here is our logarithmic shape. Again, let's just click somewhere on the picture to get it to draw us a log picture. And now let's think about how we need to change this log to match our current problem. Our current problem has in parentheses that minus 3. So that's a horizontal shift to the right by 3 places. To make it go to the right by 3 places, let's put a positive 3 in the horizontal shift box. We also need to change our base box. Remember, our base that was given to us in this problem was a base of 3. So I need to change that base to 3 to make this work. If you were asked to draw a natural log, the base for a natural log is e. If you were asked a common log where there was no base listed, then the base would be 10. But for this problem, the base we are told is 3, so let's put 3 in for that base. Hit enter, and it draws our picture for us. Now we can save that picture and check our answer to be sure that it's like it should be. Looks like we've got it. So remember, change the base box and also account for any horizontal or vertical shift as you draw these pictures.